Good morning, fourth graders. Today is Friday, February 26th. Your must-do items are your MT course in Kickstand, one lesson, and or practice page, and then you need to get into your Fluency Playground as well for about a half an hour. For reading, you need to complete the lesson for the day on Kickstand and to do your Wonders to-do list and read to yourself for about 30 minutes. Don't forget to keep writing it down in your reading log. Remember this? For writing, we're just going to keep the same lesson that we did a couple weeks ago. Read the passage below and practice taking notes on the most important pieces. You've read that section before, so taking notes should be pretty easy on that section. Remember, we are working on our South Dakota history plan or a history project. So you can work on some South Dakota history and read the passage below. Your can-do items are your flex course in Kickstand. You can work on Freckles, Sumdog, or Prodigy, or another math game of your choice. For reading, you can work in the games in Wonders, or you can work on Epic. And if you need something else to do, you can work on a PE lesson, a music lesson, or a STEAM lesson in those courses in Kickstand. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. I'm sorry it took me so long. My computer kind of went crazy and would not restart this morning. So have a great weekend, and I will see you all on Monday.